is a room tour at Harrah's Las Vegas, room 59056. This is an executive king suite. And as you walk in, you have a little slot that you put your card in so that it turns on all the lights for you. And as you walk in, very nice little room. There's a full-length mirror right here. And over here is your little wet bar. There is a thing we are not touching. Also, you can make coffee if you'd like. Your ice bucket and cups are down here. And there is a little sink for a wet bar and an additional mirror. Nice big TV, little shelf that looks like it should be a fireplace. You got your couch and little end table. Let's see if it's a pull-out. And yes, it is a queen size pull-out, so that's nice. You have a little table over here if you'd like to, eat or anything like that. And here's the first view. I know we all like views of air conditioning ducts, but if you look way down there, you can kind of see the fountains. So at night it'll be good, but here is the view. This would be great if the Hard Rock was already built, but you can see the progress right there. And then we enter the bedroom. There's a little bench right here. Put your shoes on with a little end table if you want to look out the other window. Nightstand, of course. Very big, nice, comfortable bed. Over here is an additional TV and your safe and some drawers. Nice little makeup vanity. I always appreciate this at Harrah's. And then you enter the bathroom. And this soaking tub is lovely, just lovely. Good lighting in here. There is a closet with your luggage rack, ironing board, and hangers. And here is where the restroom is and the shower. It always is a little strange. It feels like it's just squished in here, but it's okay. I really enjoy this tub. I will be using this. So this is a room tour at Harrah's Las Vegas. If you like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe. And until next time.